Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to check delete the messages on WhatsApp. So let's start. Well, first of everything, you can check your delete message if you back up the message or your chats on WhatsApp. For doing this, let's go to WhatsApp. I'm here on the app. Let's go to the three dots on the top of the right corner. Just click there. And then let's go to settings. When we're here on settings, just scroll down a little bit and let's go to the part that says storage and data or chats. Okay, so let's go there. Here on chats, you will find an option that says um, chat backup. Just click there and just back up the chat if you want. And you can see here that my last backup was February 7th. But if you want to back up right now because you have an important conversation, I recommend you to do it. You can do it automatically. In this case, I do it by myself. But if you want to do it automatically, you can do it. So, for example, we have an option that says automatic backup. As you can see, it's turned off, but you can try daily. Okay, in that daily, you can start back up all your messages. Just click there and let's wait a little bit until everything is back up on our WhatsApp, as you can see here. And everything will be saved on this account, Google account. You can change your account if you want, but this is the account that I select. So when you do it, just if you want to recover any conversation, just delete WhatsApp, and you will find again when you install WhatsApp again, you will find the message that you deleted before. So that's the way to do it, and how you can check delete message in WhatsApp by backup the message. So guys, I hope this information helps you. If this works for you, don't forget to turn off um, to subscribe to our channel and give thumb up to this video. Thank you for watching this video.